Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to delete your Instagram page. Let's get started. Click your Instagram app. Great. Now we're going to click the profile picture down in the bottom left-hand corner. Yeah, right there. Now we're going to click Edit Profile. Now we're going to click Personal Information Settings, then Personal Details, then Account Ownership and Control, then deactivation or deletion. Then we're going to click the Instagram one. Deactivating or deleting your Instagram, we're deleting our Instagram. So we're going to click the permanent one. Now you're going to give your reasons why you're leaving: privacy concerns, too many ads, troubles getting started, can't find people to follow, and continue. Get more out of Instagram, continue. This is just a prompt just in case you do want to keep it. And then you press continue. But I don't have a password for my Instagram because my Instagram is connected to my Facebook. So if I was to create a password, I would just put the password in and then save changes, and then my Instagram would be deleted. Please note that when you delete your Instagram, that it is deleted for 30 days. After 30 days, you cannot get it back. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!